It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's
Bog. Exactly.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, October 26. Papunta kami ngayon sa city, saglit. Kasi magtatapon kami ng mga old appliances, like yung TV namin, tsaka yung mga iba pang bagay na appliance. Ngayon lang merong libreng patapon ng appliance. So, yun, pupunta kami doon sa city. Then after noon, pupunta kami sa swimming ni Noah. Noah at the back. And I don't know where else pa kami pupunta. So, bye.
So guys, we're just gonna go to the city and then my swimming. So, yep. See ya after the city. Plus, they're not telling me something.
What? No, what?
Nothing.
Say it.
No. Never. Okay. So see ya, guys.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Sunday, October 27, and it's 12:20 na ng tanghali dito sa New Zealand. And kahapon ko na natuloy yung vlog ko kasi ang daming tao sa city. So hindi ko kayo na-update. And long weekend dito dahil bukas it's Labor Day dito sa New Zealand. So, mamaya meron ulit tayong mga bisita na friends and it's our Labor Day catch up ganap. So, by the time na mapanood nyo to, tapos na yung Labor Day. So, yun. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay magpe-prepare ng pangpandesal. And this time, gagamitin ko yung mixer ko na paggawa ng pandesal instead yung bread maker. Tapos later, may pupuntahan tayong party na birthday party ng classmate ni Noah. So, here. Nag-aabang na naman yan ng pandesal. Tapos mamadaliin na naman ako magluto ng pandesal. So, ngayon, naka-ready na yung mga ingredients ko. Kukunin ko lang yung mixer ko sa taas. Wait lang. So, for today's pandesal ingredients, dinoble ko yung lahat ng ingredients ko. So, bali, ang magagawa ko doon ay 2 trays ng pandesal, which is 20 pieces each tray. So, 40 pieces bali yung magagawa yung pandesal. Bakit madami? Kasi, magbibigay kami sa mom and dad ni Rainier. So, ibigay ko kayo dyan. Teka lang, ha? Saan ko ba kayo ilalagay? Para makita nyo yung ginagawa kong pandesal. Yes, dito ko na lang kayo lalagay sa kabilang side. Ayan. So, yan na yung ang aking mixer. Lagyan na natin yung milk. Butter, egg, 2 eggs yan. Sugar. And then, ang aking activated yeast. Ganda. And then, we will mix it. I will add the flour. Konti-konti lang kasi. Then yung salt natin. Mix. Let's add the rest of the flour. Okay, ngayon tapos na yung mixture ng flour natin, ng pandesal. Gagawin ko, lalamasin na natin siya dito sa bench top. Lagyan natin ng flour. Lagyan ko na ng oil tong put the dough inside. Then lagyan natin ng oil konti. Okay, right now guys, gagawa tayo ng carbonara. Hiwain ko muna yung aking bacon and mushroom. So, ang sahog ko lang sa carbonara ko, bacon and mushroom. And garlic. So, unahin ko muna yung bacon para ipa-fry ko na siya without the oil. Para lumabas yung kanyang sariling oil. So, teka lang ha. Hiwain ko na yung bacon. Bubuksan ko na rin yung kalan para uminit na siya kahit paano. Lagay ko na yung bacon dun sa kawali natin. Para mag-slow cook na siya and magtanggal na siya ng maglabas na siya ng oil niya, sarili niyang oil. Okay guys. Luto na yung bacon. Ito na siya. Pero konti lang yung lumabas na oil, which is good. So, lagyan ko ng butter.
Tara, kain na. Ay, sorry.
What's up?
Hi, fans.
Yay! Eating time! Yeah. Eating time! Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Birthday.
Wait, why is your Christmas tree small? Whose birthday?
Sometimes it's hard when you're feeling low and you can't figure out which way to go. Oh, there's stars in my eyes, I can't see which way is right. But oh, if there's one thing that I know, it's only up from here, 'cause there's no one else that's me. I'm unbreakable, unstoppable. Me, I'm creative and I got a lot of things to share with everyone. Shining brighter than the sun, I'm to chill. But I think everyone needs a little help. Trying to find that place. Need to give myself some grace. Oh yeah, mistakes all I make. Me.
What's up mga Ziz? Mag-update lang ako kasi matutulog na ako. And it's 11:38 na ng gabi dito sa New Zealand. G. And magpapaalam na ako. We'll catch you on our next vlog. And thank you for watching today's vlog. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga bagong vlogs. And thank you sa mga nag-subscribe na. And sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please subscribe po. Anak, good night ka na. Come here. So, say good night na, guys. Kasi it's 11:38 na.
Bye, guys.
And tomorrow, it's holiday here kasi it's Labor Day. So, walang pasok sa schools, sa offices, and sa work. And so, it's a rest day for us again. So, balik natin sa work and school. Kasi sa Tuesday pa. So, good night, guys. Bye!